Hello and welcome to the Yorkshire Gardeners vlog for today. Today is the 2nd of February, where I'm going to be spending 4 days down on the allotment, so hopefully I'll get lots done this weekend. So plenty of videos will be getting posted, so make sure you do hit that subscribe button to get notified of all my videos that I post up over this weekend up to Monday. It's a decent day here in Yorkshire today. It's not sunny, it's a bit cold, but the weather is decent, and hopefully it'll stay like this weekend. If not, it'll be inside jobs, but I'll definitely be down here all weekend. Let's see what I'm going to be doing today. Well, my bird feeders are still up, and it looks like the birds have found one of them. It's starting to go down. Hopefully I'll get some pictures of what birds are coming down here. I'll just have to be quiet. As you can see, bird book underneath, so it's definitely the birds. They're not just dropping out. So each day my allotment's looking a tiny bit better, better than it was. But this weekend is going to be all about concentrating on my paths. I want to get all my paths back in between my beds. I do this once a year, clear them all out, level them out, weed them all, and then put the black membrane back down ready for the year. Black membrane, you can't beat it. It's one of the best things that you can have on your plots. But yeah, I'm going to be doing that, and then hopefully next week onto my strawberry beds, clearing all them, getting them all ready, replanting all these runners what are popping through, so then hopefully I'll have more strawberries, and you can never have enough strawberries. I'm sure you'll all agree on that. You can always find time to eat strawberries. So yeah, this weekend's going to be all about my paths. First path cleared. All my paths on my plot are the width of a paving slab, so that eventually I can get paving slabs put over the black membrane to make it look a bit more posher. Can't beat a good posh allotment, all looking better. So yeah, I clear all that, and then I lay the black membrane back down, ready for this year. My black membrane down, all I use are just these green pegs. You can obviously use bricks if you want, but yeah, these are cheap enough. Sometimes good to buy them at end of gardening season, they sell them off right cheap, but they're cheap anyway, so yeah, they do the job. That's the first path cleared, so it'll probably be funny to walk on at first. Obviously I've dug it all over, but it'll soon harden up. And then yeah, it'll be ready for just my path in between my beds. So on with the next ones. So that's my second one done. I just need to get it repegged down. As you can see, I've turned my black membrane upside down, so it's all nice and clean and fresh for this year. I've put bricks down for the time being to hold it down, but I'll get it repegged down this weekend. Yeah, so 2 paths done. Plenty more to do. A massive thank you for watching today's vlog. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you come back and keep watching my videos and seeing my progress through this year down on the allotment. I also want to say a massive thank you to everybody that's subscribed to my channel so far. I've got over 100 now. I reached the 100 mark at the weekend, so please hit the subscribe button. Let's see if I can get up to 200. I was very surprised at 100, but yeah, I hope you subscribe to the channel and get the notifications when new videos are posted. I'm also on Facebook. I've got a Facebook page. It's called the Yorkshire Gardener. Please like it on there. I post questions, just other photos of what I've been doing. So you can keep up to date via that as well. So yeah, find me on Facebook, the Yorkshire Gardener, and also I'm on Instagram. Feel free to find me on there, called the Yorkshire Gardeners. They couldn't have the Yorkshire Gardener, it must have already been taken, so the Yorkshire Gardeners. Yeah, and I post photos on there as well, so feel free to find me and like it on there. Thank you for watching this week's video.